Maraming beses na tayo nagpabalik-balik sa Pampanga. At talaga namang napatunayan natin na ito ang culinary capital of the Philippines. Maliban kasi sa kanilang husay sa pagluluto, may malalim na kasaysayan ang kanilang mga pambatong putahe katulad ng sisig.
Way back like in the 1700, there's this Kapampangan Spanish dictionary written by a Spanish friar, Fraile Bergaño. The word sisig is already mentioned there. And it is defined as a salad served with a vinaigrette. It's usually given to a pregnant woman craving for something sour. Pero yung sisig nung araw, it's actually a snack. Talagang pinapapak mo yon in between meals or nagka-crave ka lang or just to satisfy your hunger.
Sa kusina ng kanyang restaurant, sinample lang tayo ni Sir Cloud Tayag ng kanilang OG version ng sisig matwa.
Pakukuluin to, palalambutin. The usual thing, sibuyas, asin, paminta, tapos bay leaf. And the secret ingredient in boiling the pig's ears, pineapple juice. So, we all know that pineapple is a natural tenderizer. So, iikli yung boiling time mo. Sibuyas, konting asin, sili, paminta, suka. As in generous, swimming in vinegar. Tapos ako, lalagay ko konting kalamansi. Tapos ito.